Today, I am going to tell you a story of a boy who lived in a village next to the mountains. And the boy, he had a very important job. Hello everyone, welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today we are talking about this boy. This boy is young. He is 12 years old. He's very young, but he has an important job. In the village, they have a lot of farmers. There are a lot of farmers. And the boy, his dad, is a shepherd. His dad is a shepherd. What is a shepherd? A shepherd is a person who takes care of sheep. 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 He takes care of sheep. Every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday, every day, the boy had to take the sheep up the mountain so they could eat grass. On the mountain, there was a nice pasture, an area that's very flat with a lot of grass. A lot of grass for the sheep to eat. Sheep, they love eating grass. The boy, his job was to watch the sheep because the sheep are nice animals. They are calm. They don't attack. No, sheep are relaxed. And there are other animals that like to eat sheep. Like, for example, wolves. Wolves, they love to eat sheep. They love to eat sheep. And the boy needed to watch for wolves. The boy, he didn't like his job. There was a problem. The boy, he got bored. He got bored watching the sheep. The sheep were boring. All they did was eat grass. That's it. The boy, one day, he had an idea. He said, I know what will be exciting. And the boy cried. He shouted, wolf! Wolf! Oh. And the villagers, the people who live in the village heard the boy, wolf! Wolf! The villagers grabbed tools like hammers, and axes, to attack the wolf. And they ran up the mountain. And when they got to the pasture, they saw the sheep eating grass. And the boy, he laughed. At the villagers. The villagers were very angry. They were very, very angry at the boy. It was not good. The villagers went back to the village to work. And the boy, he was happy. The next day, the boy had an idea. The first time I cried wolf was hilarious, was so funny. I am going to do it again. And the boy cried wolf, wolf, wolf. The villagers were surprised. The villagers, they thought, this time there must be a wolf. The boy wouldn't do it twice, wouldn't cry wolf 2 times. No. The villagers grabbed their tools and their weapons, and they ran up the mountain. And guess what? There was not a wolf. And the boy, he laughed again. The villagers were very, very angry. They were very angry. They went back to the village and they kept working. Then the next day, the boy and the sheep went up the mountain like every day. The boy, he was relaxed. He was relaxed. A little bored. And then he saw in the trees, he saw something in the trees. The boy, he saw 2 red eyes looking at him. And the eyes got bigger and bigger. And then a wolf with red eyes and blood on his teeth came out of the trees. And the boy, he cried, "Wolf! Wolf! Help! Help me! Wolf!" The villagers heard the boy. But this time, the villagers thought, no, there is no wolf. I don't believe him. No, it is a lie. It is not true. It is false. The villagers continued to work, as if they didn't hear anything. The boy watched. He watched as the wolf ate the sheep. The wolf ate all of the sheep. And the boy ran down the mountain to the village. The boy was crying. He was crying. The villagers asked, "What is wrong? Where are the sheep? Where are they?" The boy, he cried, "The wolf ate the sheep." The villagers, they did not believe him. They said, "It's not true." And the boy, it is, the wolf ate the sheep." The villagers went up the mountain, and there were no sheep. But in the grass, there was blood from the sheep. And the boy, he learned a lesson. It is not good to lie, to tell lies. You should tell the truth. And that is the story of the boy who cried wolf. Have you heard this story? What do you think? Did you like the story? Put it in the comments below if you've heard it, and tell me if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching videos of Comprehensible Input, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye!